Are you ready to make $5,000 per month with Pinterest? In today's video, I will show you how to do so by following a few simple steps and how anyone could start their business with affiliate marketing. Now, you might not be aware of it, but you could earn passive income with affiliate marketing even if you have little to no experience. So make sure to stick around until the end if you want to learn how to start earning thousands of dollars using Pinterest. Hi, and welcome back. My name is Nancy, and I help small business owners turn their passions into profits. If you're new to the channel, make sure not to miss any of my videos by subscribing, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so I can notify you of any new videos. Let's not waste any time and dive right in. Step 1, get a Pinterest business account. With a business account on Pinterest, you could take your Pinterest game to the next level. You will be able to see what content is performing and why it's resonating with people in order to figure out what pins are working and which ones are not. If you want to grow on Pinterest, it doesn't matter what you sell. You need to make sure that you're analyzing your data. By reviewing your analytics, you'll be able to make intentional decisions on what content does well and create more of it. This will have a huge impact on the growth of your affiliate marketing business and any other business that you try to run using Pinterest. Step number 2 is choose a niche. To find your niche, think about what you're most passionate about or knowledgeable in. Many people choose their own interests and hobbies. The key is to make sure that the account has a specific focus so it could attract new followers who share similar passions as well as grow steadily over time. So for example, if your micro niche is keto lifestyle, you want to make sure any content you pin to Pinterest is relevant to keto. Any pins you share from other pinners is also relevant to the keto lifestyle. This will help you not only avoid confusing your target audience, but also avoid confusing the Pinterest algorithm. Step number 3 is find products to sell. So I recommend using ClickBank to find products and services that you could promote on Pinterest. And I will look into products with a high pay, but also those which might offer residual income opportunities. I have been using ClickBank for over 9 years, and what I like most about them is that they do provide tons of products to promote from all type of niches, and many affiliate companies offer you everything you need to succeed with affiliate marketing. Whether it's an ad copy or email swipes, they got what you need. So when choosing your products, make sure to read the terms and condition of that affiliate program to make sure that they do allow promotion of the products on Pinterest. If you are unsure, you could always reach out to the affiliate manager. They do provide emails for all of the affiliate managers. And don't forget to always promote products that are best selling at the current moment because they do give you the better odds of making money online. Step number 4, use Canva to make pinnable images. The next step is to use Canva or another design software of your choice and make images that you could share on Pinterest. If you are unsure of what type of pins to create, try doing a quick search for the topic in question on Pinterest. And there's often many different ideas and inspirations available from people who have already created content related to it. You could find pins that are already performing and model those pins to create something similar. Step number 5, pin other pinners' content who have similar interests as you for more exposure. So pinning other pinners' content that has similar interests as you is going to help you to expose your pins more and potentially rank higher in the feed. When you're pinning other people's content, you want to make sure that you're pinning the pins on top of the feed because those have high rankings, which as a result gives your account more exposure. Step number 6 is start a blog. If you're serious about growing your affiliate marketing business and want to start earning a lot of money, I recommend starting a blog. It will make it a lot easier for you to collect emails, grow your brand, provide more value, and it will also give you additional options to monetize your blog. Step number 7, start an email list. If you're looking for a new way to build your customer base, consider starting up an email list. You just need to create some lead offers, which you can include anything from an ebook to offering something of value for an exchange of the email. Then all you do is nurture those leads and remarket to them products and services that are relevant to your particular niche, and you could eventually start promoting additional products at a later time. Step number 8 is to turn on Google AdSense. If you have a blog and want to earn some extra money, you could do so with Google AdSense. You're going to get paid by the number of visitors who come through on any given day. So all it takes are just a few clicks per month or more in order for this method to work out great for you and add an additional stream of income. Step number 9, diversify your blog with different affiliate marketing offers. One of the most important aspects you must consider when trying to make money on your blog is diversifying with different affiliate marketing offers. A single website will never be able to generate enough revenue, so it's vital that you spread out and find other sources of income generation as well. Pin consistently. And this is the last step. It's really, really important that you pin consistently to see real growth and explode your blog traffic by leveraging the power of Pinterest. So what you want to do is pin consistently. You could do like 5 pins per day, and you want to make sure that your pins are different. That way you could test out different pins, see what resonates with people more. And you want to pin on a consistent basis every single day. What I highly recommend is bashing out your content. I personally do my content 90 minutes it takes me, and I do a whole entire month of bashing out content. And Pinterest favors new pins. So they favor pins all the time that are fresh. They don't want you to recycle through old pins. So make sure you take the time to do so, because it is so important that if you want to see that traction, you want to start driving traffic back to your blog, to your email list, to your products and services, that you're pinning on a regular basis. That's the only way that you're going to be able to drive traffic organically from Pinterest to your blog. So there you have it, the 10 steps to help you start making money on Pinterest and how anyone can become an affiliate marketer. These are just a few of my secrets from success in the industry. If I'm missing anything or there's any question that isn't answered above, please feel free to reach out to me by leaving your questions below. And thank you so much for watching today.